Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to play EFootball Mobile on PC. Emulators are software applications that allow your computer to mimic a mobile device, letting you run Android games seamlessly. Popular choices like BlueStacks and LD Player offer robust performance. Before downloading, always check that your personal computer meets the emulator's minimum system requirements for a smooth experience. First, download your chosen emulator, such as BlueStacks or LD Player, directly from its official website. Once downloaded, install it on your computer and follow the on-screen prompts to complete the initial setup, including logging in with your Google account. Next, navigate to the emulator's built-in App Store, search for EFootball, and then install the game. This process is very similar to installing an application on a mobile device. Now, let's optimize your gameplay. Access the emulator's key mapping tool to assign keyboard keys and mouse actions to specific in-game controls, like passing or shooting. You can create a custom layout that feels natural to you. Additionally, adjust the graphics settings within the emulator to balance visual quality and performance. For an even more immersive experience, connecting a compatible gamepad can provide a console-like feel. To ensure the best possible eFootball experience on your PC, remember a few key tips. Always close any unnecessary background applications to free up system resources, leading to smoother gameplay. Regularly update both your emulator and the eFootball game itself for performance improvements and bug fixes. Don't hesitate to experiment with different control configurations until you find what works perfectly for your playstyle. Finally, a stable internet connection is crucial for seamless online matches.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.